I think I should… Stop right there. Girl. I'm first. Whatever. Go for it. Watermelon jelly! My favorite! It's so pretty! Just how I like it. It's perfect! I'm kinda jealous. Please be something nice. Lollipops? These are disappointing. Oh well. It's actually pretty good. Look at you. Lollipops are so boring. Jelly! Those earrings give me an idea. What's going on over there? Excuse me? Think lollipops are boring now? Not fair. She's so fashionable. We can't all be this glamorous. Ugh, sticky! My hair! At least I have my jelly. Are you okay? It's stuck! I can't get it off! It won't come off! Woo! Ooh, that's gotta hurt. A little help? Oh, I'm such a bad friend. Let me help you up. Whoa! This movie is so scary! Oh, I can't believe they made such a dumb mistake. Aww. Looks like I'm out of chips too. You're out too, huh? Why don't you go get us some? What? Me? Why not you? Yeah, no way. I'm staying right here. Hey! Let's just flip a coin instead. That's fair. Okay, you pick heads or tails and I'll flip it. It's spinning forever. Which way is it gonna land? What the heck? Are you kidding me? How is that even possible? Guess we both have to go. Hey! One bag is big and one bag is little! The big one's mine! Got it! Here, you can have the tiny bag. Come on! You have to share! Too bad you're too short and too slow to reach it. I'm going back to the movie. He's always so mean. You know what? He needs to be taught a lesson. Again. Okay, I'll spread this tortilla out on parchment paper and then use olive oil. I don't need too much. Just enough to brush across the surface. Just got to spread it evenly around. Now for some seasoning. Salt and pepper should do. Perfect! Now it's ready for the next step. Into the oven it goes. Look at that! It's starting to crisp up! It smells so good! And it's toasty warm! Look at this masterpiece! He's gonna be so shocked! Hey! Tell me what I missed in the movie! Whoa! Where did you get that giant bag of chips? Man, now my bag looks like the tiny one. Not fair. But I want a giant bag of giant chips.
Good thing I bought milk yesterday. I just need 1 cup. And now we blend. A minute or 2 should be good. Is it supposed to splash like that? Yeah! Watch the eyes! I'd be surprised if any was left in the bowl. It's like a strawberry cake facial. How could you betray me like this? I'm never baking again. There, I'm almost finished. Huh? Is that Bella? What's wrong? Actually, no words are necessary. How'd this happen? Gimme that. I think I have an idea. With a whisk and a pair of pliers, make your own mixing device. Once the prongs are pulled a bit, put hot glue on the tips. Make sure they're sizable globs. They're not going to attach to anything. Then let them dry. Dry those tears, Bella. You're damp enough as it is. Feel better now? A head massage should calm you down. It tickles a bit, but feels good, right? Hey, it's really working. Shower first, hug second.
Wow! All this action makes me hungry. Could this thing be more perfect? Well, with chocolate it can. Come to Mama! Still hungry. So chocolatey. I just can't get enough of this. So delicious. Whoops. Let me just wipe that up. I don't even care. It's too good. Huh? I finished the strawberries already? Oh, I hate when that happens.
Well, what do we have here? Ugh, I hate commercials. Ugh, what is all this? This has Emma written all over it. Even the tissues are gross. Now I'm dirtier than before. Wait a minute. Yep, I should have seen that coming. I don't even know what to wipe first.
Hi, Thomas. Want some strawberries?
Emma, stop, please. There's a better way to do this. Stick the straw through here. Keep pushing until the stem pops off. Now you have a hole, see? And now for the best part. Get some chocolate in the syringe. A good amount should do. Then it's time for the injection. Fill her up. No mess here.
So cool and easy too. Yum! It's the perfect amount of chocolate.
Don't mind if I do.
I can't believe we got the last cake! Sure hope he likes it! You hear that? Never mind. I almost forgot! Party hat! The perfect finishing touch! Cute sign, right? Thoughtful details really make for a party atmosphere. Soda's ready! Just about done here. Aw, it looks so great in here! One more thing! We'd better light the candles. You hear him coming? Oh, we gotta go! No! This way! Oh, the cake! I just took a chunk out of it! What's going on? Oh, is this all for me? Happy birthday! Wow! A spoon? Cake in a glass? What a treat! You guys are so creative! Yep! Cheers! Turns out, cake in a glass is a hit.